Hello, it's Darren from Investor Income. Welcome to the channel. We're going to be looking at Ethereum today and Ethereum US dollar on this chart, and we're looking at my trades that I've taken towards the end of the last year and where I sit at the minute. No trades so far this year, just looking at the ones from last year and holding positions. So I hold Ethereum, I buy it, and see all these levels here that I've got in, and I've just holding those trades. The ones with the crosses are actually the ones I've traded, so I will trade them and I will hold some. So all the green arrows I will be holding, and I have also taken some of my position off with the red crosses are. So it's not at that level, so this one I took up to here, and this one I took up to here, and this one took up to here, and this was oscillators that I use. Okay, so this one was a kind of a okayish trade. This one really didn't do much, I just took it back up to there. But I'm all one for taking profits. I've done a video on Dash, and that's where I talk about going up to the moving averages. However, I use oscillators to see, and these are custom oscillators that I've developed over 13 years effectively. So when I get this sort of movement on these averages, it's showing a lot of indecision in my opinion. That's why I took just short trades to get quick money really. And if I get 5, 10, 15% for my investment, I'm very happy. Some of them will get a lot more obviously, but I will take profit if I can, especially when we've got this. If we look back over here, see a similar movement to a lot of cryptocurrencies. We've got this large divergence between the two moving averages, which is signaling to me that it's going to be going up, and we got it coming inside of this moving average, which is fantastic. So I haven't put all my trades on there. I haven't had time to go through every single one on Ethereum. I trade cryptocurrencies, I trade Ethereum, I trade Dash, I trade Bitcoin, but I also trade stocks, a lot of stocks, and I trade currencies as well. If you look at my currency video, I use exactly the same, or more or less the same system for currencies, and I flipped a $40, 40 euro account, to 92 euros at the minute, within just over a week. So it's a system you can use depending on how much you've got to invest, but it doesn't really matter. If you're investing in cryptocurrencies, then you can double your account very quickly. As long as there's some intrinsic value in the crypto. I do like Ethereum, I do like Dash, I do like Bitcoin as well, but I just trade them, I just make money out of them basically. It's easy. I trade the 4-hour chart. If you look at my other video, 4-hour chart and the daily chart, and I take the stress off myself. I don't sit there all day staring at the screen sweating. I look at it every day and that's it. I'm done. Sometimes every 4 hours, depending on how the market's going, but I'll have my take profits in place in any case, so I don't really worry too much. But when it started coming down here, we've already come down to this level, and it's come down a bit. It's just a bit of consolidation from what I can see, so that's why I was happy to enter down here. I wasn't expecting massive gains, but I'm still holding positions from all these arrows, and we're looking pretty good. Okay, some of them are, no, this one's negative, and that's about the only one I think. All the rest are either flat or in profit. So a nice little move. So I'm just going to take a look back here, the price action coming down, and you can see my averages crossing. Don't take too much notice of those crosses. I more want to take notice of the distance between the lines and where we're going, and we've got deviation. So look at this this bull move here. This is where you've got to have some faith in the system and the way you trade. So the way I trade is a swing trade, and I'll be looking at getting back to these moving averages at some point. Okay, so when we see massive spikes like this, and the amount of money you can make was ridiculous in these moves. However, for me, when I see deviation away, I'd be entering trades. So I'd enter here, and you look how much you lost. Yeah, you're losing a lot of money. Okay, so I'm not saying my system is perfect at all, but trust me, all assets, currencies, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and cryptocurrencies especially, they will retrace at some stage. Okay, it's inevitable. It's just the way that all currencies have to move. These are moving averages over a long period. They will always retrace. Okay, like you see here, these aren't very far apart and it's going upwards. Okay, so we're looking at selling back to this line here probably. If it does continue up further, we sell again and come down here. We're not expecting it necessarily to retrace to this one, and we just want a retracement. So I'll take the money, but likelihood is I'll probably be, I wouldn't be entering there. I'll be entering up here somewhere. We've got massive deviation again, and we just keep on going. We do the same again. These spikes down here, I'd probably come out of those trades down there. This one will come out flat. This one will come out in profit. It will trade up, and I'll sell, and it will come down. I do sometimes trade the retracements on a small trade. However, on moves like this, I'll definitely trade in these areas, going back up again to this moving average. But you can see then we start to get contraction, these moving averages coming together. So I won't be taking many long positions unless we get south here. Okay, so people can worry a lot about getting into these. I'll be taking trades down here. I'll be taking trades down here. You can see the price does move back up again. Okay, especially when these come apart. I'll scale into these trades. Okay, so here I'll be trading a small amount. I'll gradually increase my amounts as I get more confident, and especially down here. Okay, so that's just the way I trade. It takes the stress out. We're talking months though. Okay, so don't think the way I trade you're going to become a millionaire overnight. However, if you say to any investor, and I'm talking about an investor, I'm not talking about people who want to be millionaires overnight, but with cryptocurrencies or any trading instrument over the higher time frames, if you say to any investor you're going to double your money in a year, you'll be by far one of the best traders, especially in any hedge fund. You're only looking at maybe 20-30% or whatever, but we're looking at doubling our money and more. Down here, if we take trades here, it's a very safe trade, and we're looking at 350, 100 to 350. That is insane. It is literally insane. 6 months, you treble your money, or 2.5 times your money. That is insane. Okay, so as an investment, as a long-term way to make money on all assets, I believe the way I trade is pretty much untouchable. You just got to accept you will lose money. You'll be in drawdown. Okay, it's inevitable. I'll be taking trades up here. I'm in loss down here. Okay, from a sum of 178 and it comes down to 90. Halved your money. So it's only a paper loss though. And if you're confident in your system, it doesn't matter because you have faith that it's going to come back. If Ethereum gets banned overnight, obviously you're going to lose your money. But that's why I spread out my trades. I don't just trade Ethereum. I don't just trade Dash. I don't just trade Bitcoin. I don't trade Euro Dollar. I spread them out over 3 different asset classes. Cryptos, currencies, stocks. And I hold stocks with dividends. So I get money coming in from that, which I then invest into cryptos. I sell cryptos, I trade stocks. And I just have a continual flow of money going in and out. Trust me, it gets confusing. But I have a extensive database which I update, which takes me a long time. What we're doing, YouTube videos, trading, and my kids. I'm a busy guy, but it's I love it. I absolutely love this stuff. It's fantastic, and I'm just hoping to be able to help somebody, get off the 1 minute time frames, get off these stupid, short-term, quick gain mentality. If you spread your ambition out over a year and invest your money, invest your income as you earn in it, don't bankrupt yourself. If you only got $20 a week, or 20 euros or whatever, put it in, invest it in something. Worst case, okay, I've said to you, like the way I trade here. Okay, you take a trade up here, say. Yes, I mean this probably isn't the best currency to talk. Crypto is not the best. But say you put in whatever you can afford. Okay, say you buy, 1 Ethereum or whatever. Okay, and you're in loss. Don't sell it down there. The way we're trading, you don't need to. You could buy at these sort of positions. It doesn't matter. But if you have faith in the asset, 6 months you double your money. But if you're investing each week, again, you invest here, and you invest a bit more here, you invest down here, invest up here, you can see how your money will grow very quickly. You just need to keep investing, but not so much that if it gets wiped out, you're going to be crying in a ditch somewhere. Okay, we don't trade that way. We just trade comfortably, and we grow over time. And trust me, you can grow quickly over time. Like, I've just flipped my Forex account, doubled it in just over a week with 40 euros, and it's now 92. You know, that's all on YouTube. You can see the videos. I've done it. It's all open. I'm just putting this stuff on there. Okay, so don't copy me. I'm not a financial advisor or anything. I'm just showing you how it can be done. Okay. Do hope you enjoyed the video. Take care of yourselves. It's a fantastic day out there, and I will talk to you all very soon. Oh yeah, please subscribe if you can. Thank you.